Yo guys, what's going on? Today I'm going to be releasing a T55.5 AP, not 0.5, 1.5 seconds anti-patch. Just built it yesterday, I built it today. First as a 1.5, which is here, which I'm not going to be releasing. I'm going to be releasing the anti-patch, because why not? I was like, you know what, I'm at it. I'll probably end up making more anti-patch cannons for like 3 seconds. We don't need these overlays and such. The cannon is 34 wide and 63 long. It uses, I think it was 2636 TNT in total with the anti-patch on. The anti-patch itself is already like 1116 TNT, I think, which is a lot. This will do the whole distance fine. It's 4 game ticks. It has twice the power as the main power, like per side. So this is 720 power. This is 2 times 360. It has 100 TNT per game tick. It's 4 game ticks. Does 41 blocks of obsidian. So that's basically it. I'm gonna first fire without the AP on, because that's how you disable it. You disable one of these 3 pieces of redstone. That's how I always wire my AP. You need 1 piece of redstone and it's done. This again is my smart button, not mine, but like a smart button design, how I call it. I need to find a different name for it, but like, you put 10 shots in, you'll get 10 shots. If you fire it, you can either do it flicking a lever or spamming a button. So, okay, yeah. Something happened in chat, of course, since I'm staff, I have to punish for it. Yeah. So nuke, 6+1 game tick nuke again, the ratio I've been using on quite a lot of cannons now. I like this ratio, it's quite good. I realized I forgot to put slabs on the wall, but it has slab. It has a slab. Why can't I not talk? Okay, for some reason. So, I believe you're not flowing. There you go. I did not know stop like would stop flowing the water. Well, now there are slabs down. I should probably refill my sand with my wet sand. Yep. I think this holds 30 shots. Let me check that. Yes, that's 30. Now I need to find by 3 layers of sand. 24 long comp. It's quite a beautiful comp, I think. Did quite nice. Some interesting game mechanics going on there, like one ticking a redstone torch, which for some reason works like that. Don't know why. That's basically it. So, I already have 10 shots loaded in. Yeah, I'm gonna be flicking this lever because button spamming on the 1.5 second is kind of pointless if you want to make a release out of it. Currently I'm gonna do it like this because, like without an AP, I mean with that, because there's no need in an AP. I'll show you like what the AP can do later. Like, I'll fire it. I'm TNT toggled because this is about 2,500 pieces of sand per shot. Oh, that's the server TPS. There you go. So now let's say you're refilling your shots and now some jerk was like doing all kinds of these, like making more real, doing that, just like this. Just spamming the whole way through. So it's like that. So one jackass does that, what you can do, because this is off right now because you're saving TNT, because it's once again like 1100 TNT. Like, yeah, the clock will continue to fire, even though like there are no shots loaded. Like it won't fire the cannon, but like the clock keeps on going. Okay, that was weird. And the patch is on. I'm gonna flick the lever again. So well, there you go. Let me get. How about this? What is this? That's 40. Okay, well, you know what? Let's do this wall. This is the maximum it will do on obsidian, this whole line. So, I'll show you by just firing twice. It's nothing really much difficult about the AP, it's just tunneling, like one tick after your nuke, so that's how you do it. So how it actually works is your AP power and your AP nuke, or AP tunnel, they go off in the same game tick, the same game tick, the first game tick of the AP. And then it switches. The game ticks aren't for tunneling, the game ticks are for range. So if you're, let's say, you're shooting in your second game tick, it will tunnel in the second game tick for this power then, because this is way more than that one. So, I'll just put 2 shots in. If you don't want to do this, you just flick this lever and it disables it, and this button will always stay like this. So but now there should be 2 shots loaded. That's the wrong one. Yeah, see? Did I... There you go. Was that it, basically? Yeah. Nothing's firing anymore, right? Yeah, that's fine. The nuke kind of messed up, but like, I don't know what happened there. Like, okay, but that was its maximum range, so that's that. I'm gonna flick this lever now. I need to remember this should be off and it should set to the item mode. When I'm gonna make the scan, probably won't happen, but whatever. Sand comp, 24 long, carpet comp, overlay. That's it. Okay, so nukes, that's good. And per shot, the sand comp loses about, there it is, 10 pieces of sand, which doesn't matter. It's it produces, or like it comes 288 sand. And it outputs like 278, and you only need 252 for stacking at 255. So that's it about this cannon. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I'll probably do a better tutorial on anti-patching, or I don't know, like how you could make one. I haven't really tested the range of this yet. I'll leave it in the comment section down below. I think 360 power on the fence gate, so it should be fine. I'll leave it in the comment section down below because I'm gonna edit this video and I'm gonna test it while I'm rendering the video. So check in the comments for all the details. I don't know how far it will adjust, but like this is good so far. Like you don't even can't see chat because I'm G-toggled, because I said that was right. 21 blocks, which is more than enough, I think. It's like nearly 2 chunks of adjustments. I think you can go further. I'm gonna test it on this white, like 24, oh wait, 24 blocks should work, I think. So I'm a fire. On this corner. Yep, see, that worked. Okay, back to the thing, okay, yep. Okay, above here, there is a piece. Okay, yeah. Sorry about that. Above here, above the barrel, the fence, there's this piece of glass. You can't adjust on that piece of glass, because if you do that, if you want to AP, it won't work. It's gonna be in the schematic. This thing, this should, like, you should the test. Excuse me. The height where I tested this on is what worked. I didn't do a lot of research, but this just works fine. That's basically it about this cannon. I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.